Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notification of Bigo Live. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Settings application. Now scroll down your screen and tap on Apps option. Now tap on Manage Apps option. Here in the search bar, type in Bigo. Go to Notifications option. Here you'll just have to turn off the button of Show Notifications. And that is how you can turn off notification of Bigo Live application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.